In Sacramona versus Bridgestone Firestone, the court considered whether human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, status was relevant enough to lifetime damages to compel a plaintiff to get tested. Robert Sacramona worked at an automobile repair shop. He was seriously injured when a tire he was mounting on a rim exploded. It turned out that the explosion was a result of a mismatch between the tire and the rim. Sacramona sued Bridgestone, the tire manufacturer, seeking damages for future lost wages, medical expenses, and disability. During discovery, Bridgestone learned that Sacramona was a former intravenous drug user and that he'd engaged in unprotected homosexual activity. Sacramona had never taken a blood test to determine his HIV status. Bridgestone asked Sacramona to get an HIV test. Sacramona refused, citing his right to privacy. Bridgestone asked the court to compel Sacramona to submit to a test. It argued that Sacramona's HIV status bore on his life expectancy and was therefore relevant to determining future damages.